So here we have this question. In this question, it is saying that Grignard reagent RMGBr, this is called P, this reacts with water, means H2O, and forms a gas Q. So if you see when MGBr means this Grignard reagent will react with water, this HOH. We know that in RMGBr, this R is delta minus and Mg is delta plus, because this is metallic. So here it will have delta plus, because the electronegativity of carbon is greater than that of magnesium. I think the electronegativity of carbon is somewhere 2.5 and that of magnesium is 1.3. So this R, which means some carbon chain, this has more electronegativity, so it will have delta minus. Now this delta minus, and we have H plus and OH minus, it will react here and it will form alkane. This is also what we remember, that when a Grignard reagent reacts with water, it gives us alkane. And here we will have MgBr OH. But we are not concerned about this. We are concerned about this alkane that we get. And this alkane, and this is the gas Q. So from here we have this alkane here. And the question is saying that 1 gram of Q occupies 1.4 dm cube at STP. So if we calculate the number of moles of this alkane, that is equal to the volume it occupies at STP, which is 1.4 dm cube. 1 dm cube is equal to 1 liter. So this is 1.4 liter divided by 22.4 liter volume at STP, volume of 1 mole of gas at STP. So this will give us the number of moles of alkane. And we also know that we have 1 gram of Q, which means 1 divided by molar mass of RH. So from here we can calculate the molar mass of RH, which will be 22.4 divided by 1.4. That will be 16 gram per mole. And we know that 16 gram per mole is the molar mass of CH4. Therefore, this Q is equal to CH3H, means this is the R, which is CH4 only. So we get Q as CH4. So if Q is CH4, that means RMGR was nothing but CH3MGBr, because when CH3MGBr will react with HOH, it will give us CH3H, which is CH4, and this is what we are getting. So this is the given Grignard reagent that we have. Further in the question, it is said that P on reaction with dry ice means CO2, P on reaction with dry ice in dry ether followed by hydrolysis means H3O+. So when you react it with CO2 in dry ether is the medium, and followed by H3O+, it gives you 0.1 mole of Z. It gives 0.1 mole of H, and we have to calculate the weight of this. So we know that when Grignard reagent, CH3MgBr, it reacts with CO2, what will happen? This is minus, and here on carbon we have delta plus, so this will react with it. It will open up, and it will be like this C. This is O minus, and here we have CH3, and then we have double bond. So this is like this. Now on hydrolysis, H3O plus, it will become CH3, C double bond O, OH. This is acid. CH3MgBr, which means Grignard, when it reacts with CO2, it gives us acid. So from here we will get CH3, C double bond O, OH. And this CH3, C double bond O, OH, as the question says, it is Z, and we have 0.1 mole of this compound, which is acetic acid. Since we have 0.1 mole of this, we can easily, now we also have these structures, so we can find the molecular mass of this compound, and we already know the number of moles, so we can calculate the weight. So the molar mass of CH3C double bond OOH is 60 grams. So now we can calculate the weight. So this weight, which will come in grams, is equal to 0.1, which is number of moles multiplied by molar mass, and molar mass is coming out to be 60. So which is 6 gram is our answer. Thank you.